The AI tool you should use. EndNote 2025's new AI features are a game changer when using citation managers. So what is EndNote 2025? According to Emmanuel DeVode, EndNote 2025 helps researchers save valuable time, stay organized, and collaborate more effectively as they write and publish research papers, maximizing their contribution to their fields. The AI features are designed to streamline tedious tasks and provide insights and recommendations, setting you up for success both now and in the future. So let's get into it. First thing we're going to do is open up EndNote 2025. And then we're going to go to the recently added section. From here, we're going to double click on this publication. From here, we're going to expand this document. So once we click on this icon located on the upper right-hand side, it's going to generate key takeaways. And what we can do is we can interact with the article, we can ask it questions, and we can ask it follow-up as well. So let's say, for an example, I wanted to understand the methodologies, and I wanted it to break it down in a way where it's digestible. So my first prompt might be, simplify the methodologies in 3 sections. As you can see here, it breaks down the methodologies in 3 different sections and provides bullet points. One of the best things about this feature is if you're reading a particular research publication that is very advanced and maybe the methodology is a bit over your head, now you can simplify that methodology when interacting with its research assistant. Perhaps I wanted to understand the statistical analysis outcome. Maybe I might do a follow-up prompt such as, simplify the statistical analysis in this publication. And as you can see here, it's going to provide us the statistical analysis simplified, whether it breaks down the literature review, the qualitative insights, as well as the limitations. Once again, I think that this is a game changer, especially if you're trying to read complex publications. This certainly helps save time and a lot of effort when you're going through many different research papers. My final follow-up prompt usually focuses on the conclusion. So I would like to just ask it, summarize the conclusion for me in 2 sentences. And here is the outcome of my prompt. It is a lengthy 2 sentences, but overall, it does the job. The next AI feature I'm going to show you is to translate the entire document from one language to another. So what I'm going to do in this case is I'm going to click on translate the entire document. And let's say I wanted to translate this into Portuguese. Click on the arrow located here, and I'm going to scroll down until I find the language that I'm trying to translate the document to. As we can see, there's just a wide variety of different languages here. I'm going to find Portuguese and translate it. And here we go. Now we have this research publication translated from English to Portuguese, making this a lot more easier on our international students worldwide. The final feature that I'm going to show you is the summarize the text component that they added here. Very similar to the reading assistant that allows us to interact with the publications, what we can do with this particular feature is if we're reading a particular section within the publication, what we can do in this case is highlight the section and get a complete summary of it. So if I'm highlighting this section right here and I wanted a summary of this, I can highlight it, right-click, and summarize this text option located here. And as you can see here, it provides us a summary of this entire section, which is fantastic. So here are my 3 takeaways. The AI features on EndNote 2025 makes the research process seamless and a game changer for citation management software. Exporting research papers in various languages is advantageous for international students everywhere. In my personal wish list, I would like to see more generative AI features incorporated into this platform, such as prompting and data extraction. With that being said, I want to thank everyone for viewing this tutorial. If you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to contact me at jonathan.torres@rutgers.edu. I'm also on LinkedIn and on X, so feel free to network with me. I also want to thank my sponsors, so you can see them in the description below. With that being said, have a great day.